Start your day with a burst of flavor. Imagine waking up to the vibrant colors and refreshing taste of a pomegranate banana smoothie. It's not just a drink, it's an experience that invigorates your senses and fuels your body. The pomegranate banana smoothie is the perfect way to do it. This delightful blend combines the tartness of pomegranates with the creamy sweetness of bananas, creating a harmonious balance of flavors. This smoothie is quick and easy to make. With just a few simple ingredients, you can whip up this nutritious drink in no time. Perfect for those busy mornings when you need a quick, healthy option. It's ready in just a few minutes. Pomegranates are vibrant red, packed with antioxidants and vitamins that boost your health. Their juicy seeds add a delightful crunch to the smoothie. They are full of juicy seeds. These little gems are not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you, providing a burst of nutrients with every bite. Bananas are sweet and creamy. They add a natural sweetness to the smoothie, making it a perfect treat without any added sugars. Together, they make a delicious and healthy smoothie. The combination of these two fruits results in a drink that's not only tasty, but also packed with essential nutrients. This smoothie is perfect for busy mornings. Just blend, pour, and go. It's a convenient way to ensure you start your day on a healthy note. It's a great way to get a healthy breakfast on the go. You'll love the taste. The refreshing blend of pomegranate and banana will keep you energized throughout the morning, and you'll love how easy it is to make. With minimal prep and cleanup, this smoothie is a hassle-free addition to your morning routine. Try it today and feel the difference. This smoothie is packed with nutrients. Pomegranates are full of antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your body. Bananas are a good source of potassium. Potassium is important for muscle function. This smoothie is a great source of energy. It's the perfect way to start your day. You'll feel full and satisfied until lunchtime. This smoothie is also very refreshing. The natural sugars in the fruit provide a boost. The fiber keeps you feeling full. Enjoy a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. You only need a few simple ingredients to make this smoothie. Gather one ripe banana, which will add natural sweetness and a creamy texture to your smoothie. Make sure the banana is ripe, as this will ensure maximum flavor and smooth blending. Next, you'll need half a cup of pomegranate seeds. These little gems are packed with antioxidants and add a burst of tartness that perfectly balances the sweetness of the banana. And don't forget half a cup of yogurt. Yogurt not only adds creaminess, but also provides a good dose of probiotics, which are great for your gut health. You can use any type of yogurt you like, whether it's plain, Greek, or even a dairy-free alternative. Each type of yogurt will give your smoothie a unique texture and flavor. Greek yogurt in particular will make your smoothie extra creamy and rich, thanks to its thicker consistency and higher protein content. To easily de-seed a pomegranate, score the fruit lengthwise. This technique helps to open up the fruit without making a mess. Submerge it in a bowl of water and break it apart. The water helps to separate the seeds from the pith, making the process much cleaner and easier. The seeds will sink to the bottom, while the pith floats to the top. Simply skim off the pith and drain the water to collect your seeds. Now you're ready to blend. Make sure your blender is clean and ready to go. Add all of your ingredients to the blender. Start with the banana, followed by the pomegranate seeds, and finally the yogurt. Blend until smooth and creamy. This should take about 30 to 60 seconds, depending on the power of your blender. If you like your smoothie extra cold, add a few ice cubes before blending. This will give your smoothie a refreshing chill and a slightly thicker texture. Section 4. Blending your way to a perfect morning. Start with a clean blender. Add your banana, pomegranate seeds, and yogurt. Secure the blender lid tightly. Start blending on low speed. Gradually increase the speed. Listen to the sound of the blender. It should sound smooth. If it sounds chunky, blend for a longer time. Once the smoothie is smooth, it's ready to enjoy. Pour it into a glass and enjoy. Section 5. A smoothie that nourishes and inspires. This smoothie is a delicious and healthy way to start your day. Imagine waking up to the vibrant colors and refreshing taste of a pomegranate banana smoothie. It's not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a fantastic way to fuel your body with essential nutrients. It's packed with nutrients and antioxidants. Pomegranates are known for their high levels of vitamin C and potassium, while bananas provide a good source of dietary fiber and natural sweetness. Together, they create a powerhouse of health benefits. Plus, it's easy to make and taste delicious. With just a few simple ingredients and a blender, you can whip up this delightful smoothie in no time. It's perfect for busy mornings or as a refreshing snack. You can customize it to your liking. Add your favorite toppings like granola, nuts, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon to enhance the flavor and texture. The possibilities are endless, making it a versatile option for any palate. Try adding a spoonful of honey for extra sweetness. Honey not only adds a natural sweetness but also brings additional health benefits, such as antibacterial properties and antioxidants. Sprinkle in some chia seeds for added nutrition. Chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making your smoothie even more nutritious and satisfying. Get creative and make it your own. Experiment with different fruits, vegetables, and superfoods to create a smoothie that suits your taste and nutritional needs. The more colorful and diverse, the better. Try this quick and easy recipe. Simply blend pomegranate seeds, banana slices, a splash of almond milk, and a handful of ice cubes until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Share it with your friends and family. Smoothies are a great way to bring people together, whether it's for a healthy breakfast, a post-workout snack, or a fun treat at a gathering. Start your day with a burst of flavor and good health. Enjoy. This smoothie is not just a drink, it's an experience that nourishes your body and inspires your soul.